Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you made it. Today, I am going to make a license plate holder. I am going to make this for my husband, for his truck, and hopefully he likes it. I am starting out with this candy mold, these skeleton heads. I got this at Michael's during Halloween and have been waiting for something to use it on, and I think this is the right opportunity to use it on. I am spraying it with the isopropyl alcohol, and I am just pouring in some white resin. This is from Eye Candy, Satori White pigment paste, and I'm just going to fill up these skeleton heads. I'm not doing it all the way. I'm doing it probably about halfway just to get all the detail on the skeleton head. I hope this turns out good because I think I will make some for my truck, but on my truck I'm going to do glitter. For his, I've got to do it, not girly. I will just get these all filled up and I will set these aside and let them cure. Once those are cured, we'll be back for our next step. The skulls are cured, so let's pop them out and take a look. Yep, very good. I got all the detail I needed on them. Those are cute, actually. Those would be good to make little magnets during Halloween. I wonder if I'll have any left. I'm sure I'll have some left over. Alright, we'll just pop all these out of here because I don't think I'm going to need them all. But we'll get them all popped out and try to arrange them and see what it looks like once we get the license plate going. Now here I have the license plate mold, and I got this from Amazon. So if you're wondering where to get one, that's where I got mine. I'm sure they have them all over the place though. So I have that. I'm getting it out of its package. Get these skeletons moved aside. And now I'm looking at it and I'm like, wait a minute. Which way does this thing go? I'm having brain fog for some reason. I'm trying to figure out, is that the bottom or is that the top? So I need to actually go outside and look at my truck. Okay, so it goes this way. I don't know why I couldn't figure out which way it went, but my truck has them at the top and the bottom. So we're going to do it so it's the top, because I think most of them just have 2, right? I don't know. Do all of them have 4? I don't know. Anyway, we're going to do it this way. And I was looking at it, trying to figure out if I could get the skeleton heads to sit in the resin, but it's so thin that it won't. So now I'm revising my plan, and I think I'm just going to have to attach the skeleton heads after I get the holder poured, if that makes any sense. So I'm just arranging, trying to figure out where I'm going to put the skeleton heads, see if they'll fit in there. They look like they'll fit pretty good. They're just not going to fit like I had thought. Although I guess I could have done it face up and worked face up too and stuck them on there while they were still tacky. Okay, that's good to know for when it's time to do mine. I have a little bit of resin mixed up. I don't have much because I have resin left over from a different project I was doing. So I'm going to use this up. I am putting in my black pigment paste. I'm going to squirt some into my cup, get that mixed up. And I am just doing the frame in black, so those skulls will pop right off of there and look really good. That is all mixed in there. I'm going to give a spray of isopropyl alcohol. This isn't going to go very far, so we're just going to use up what we have, and then I'll mix up some more to finish off the license plate holder. I just have this on a little bit of a fast forward. All I'm doing is pouring my black resin into the license plate holder. I'm going to scrape that cup out of there, get it all out as best I can. And then I'm going to mix up some more and pour that. I'll give it another spray of isopropyl alcohol because it dried up while I was stirring. And get that all poured in there. I don't think I should dome this, so I'm going to leave it even and level because I just don't know. So I'm not going to dome it. All right, that looks pretty good. I'll scrape out what I have left in there. It looks pretty level. I will set this aside for the night because it does not fit in my G3 and let it cure. And just like that, the magic has happened. It is cured, but because it's so thin, it is still pretty bendy. So I want to be really gentle and careful taking this out of there. And I don't want to handle it too much. I want it to keep laying flat. So I'm going to try to be really careful with this. Okay, yeah, see? The holes go all the way through, so I could have worked face up. That's good to know. Because I will do mine a little bit different than I did his. It looks pretty good. I like that. I wish it wasn't so bendy so I could work with it better. Let me grab the little skeleton heads and we will start assembling. I'm certainly not going to be able to get all of these on there. I don't really know what I'm going to do with them. I was thinking just the corners and then the middle. Do them at a diagonal on the corners and put one up and down in the middle. I kind of wanted to put it at the holes up top. It came with bolt or screw covers to cover those holes. I wonder if that would fit over. No, I don't think it would because it's got to snap through there. Oh no, I'm just going to play it by ear. I'm on like plan C right now. All right, let's arrange these and see how they look. I like how that looks. I think that looks pretty good. But I have some other things. Should I try the glow-in-the-dark bones? Let's just put them on there and see how it looks. And really, it's not what I think is going to look good, I guess. I have to think in terms of what my husband would like, because I have a tendency to go a little overboard. But hey, at least I didn't bling it out with gems and glitter, so he should be thankful, right? All right, it doesn't look too bad with the bones on the bottom. Let's try some bones on the side. I don't know about that. How about up top to try to even out the bottom? Maybe just in the middle there. We're just going to place them around and see what looks good. And you guys can tell me in the comments below what way you thought looked good. Okay, how about some bones along the side? I don't know. That might be too much. Imagine that. Me saying that's too much. Yeah, I don't think I like that. Even I think this is too much. All right. I'm thinking, what should I do? I think I'm just going to take that off. How about if I just put them straight across the bottom like I do have it at the top? Actually, looking at it, maybe just two on the bottom on each side would have looked good. I don't know. You know what? I'm just going to take them off, and when he sees the video, he can tell me what he likes, and I can just go back and do it afterwards. That's probably a better idea. I am just going to glue the skull heads where I have them because I do like that and I know he'll like that. So I'm going to get that one in the center. This is 12.5 inches across. So I have the skeleton head exactly 6.25 inches. So that will be the middle. Just got to make sure I get it nice and straight. And I'm using my B7000. Hopefully that will stick on there. It doesn't seem to be wanting to stay put. I'm going to press down on it a little bit. Make sure it is straight and centered. And then we're going to get to the corner ones. And I'm trying to decide if I want it straight or kitty cornered. I actually like it kitty cornered, so I am going to do it diagonal. I'm going to make sure it is even with the side and even with the bottom. I am having issues with my B7000, so I'm going to go ahead and grab my E6000 and hopefully that'll squeeze out of the tube a little bit easier. I'm almost out of my B7000, so I'm going to have to get some more, but hopefully my B6000 will come out. I haven't used it in a little while. Hopefully it's not all dried up in that tube. And once I get these glued on there, that is all I am doing. So that'll be it for this video. I hope he likes it. I like it. I can't wait to make one for myself. And if you want the bones on it, honey, let me know. I'll put them on for you. No problem. That is it for me. I will get you some final pictures. Thanks for watching.